Guys, I know Peugeot back. Peugeot what spent last 3 months in the river. It's so rusty. Owner say it's very good car because it is even better. It's my Audi because come to zero emission zone. My one don't. He won't spend money. So we do absolutely minimum. We don't care what be break for next 3 months. We just do what it is bad at this moment. So I'm show you what we have and we start Peugeot. Right, guys, we have 2 shock absorb, 2 roll bar, 1 spring and 2 mount, Fabi mount. It's no fit for this car probably. We see buy online, rest buy in the shop. So let's start. This side because no spring there, it is bad. Guys, I know owners say it's MOT past, just breaks this and slightly leaking, so we do absolutely minimum. Guys, so we already have brake line leaking, so grinder we cut the guys here, we cut roll bar. Like you see, everything very rust, everything what I should be touched, it is, but this guy go to back, twist and hope it is enough, go down and I don't need split more parts. Okay guys, like you see, I'm put spring down, so we have just shock absorb now here. I cannot split. So maybe I'm go upstairs, put shock absorb down and try take out. Wipers must gone. It is no enough space to open, so take wipers and then lift up the plastic. We have more space. It's good. Fabi one from from eBay guy right, shop it's no right, so yeah, we go to garden, put stuff back and then we try put in the car. So we need take that mount on the top, screw, everything go new. Okay, two different, but both good. Just a different. It's this mount. It is good. That one don't have this one, but this one don't have mount. So mean it's that bearing, old bearing I take off. I put new. And this one have bearing but don't have this one. So anyway, one we do good, and we see shock absorb. We check shock absorb. Shock absorb, it's new, looks the same. Here it's a little different, but this is lock pen where it should be go and how go. Yeah, we put everything together. One mount back to shop, and we use from internet mount. It's with this one, and yeah, should be like that. Put butts, plug everything. Map, so we compress and footmarks Bergson back. Guys, this car is mental. Peugeot, French car I hate. You look how I am compressed the spring. I really worry it's jump. It's still no fit shock absorb. Do you believe that? After that one, 100% I buy a better compressor for spring. That one is joke. This spring it's so long, and I don't believe. Alright guys, head shock. So we need compress off and be ready to put in the car. Yeah, it's spring half up and down, so make sure it's go good way go. Looks like strange. I don't know, this is Peugeot. In this car everything's strange, but like bend. I don't know. I'm finished for today. Shock absorb pin this pipe, it is break over here, something clicking in this one. Here it's rusty. I try maybe heat gun and turn, but we see. If not, owners must find somebody who make a pipe. I don't have tools, and even no here grease come out from arms very bad anyway. So I'm finished for today. We see, guys, this is no work, this is fight for every bolt, every centimeters. This is no work, this is fight, absolutely bad.